You've most likely heard of nitroglycerin. While it is technically an explosive, it's nowadays just used as heart medication. It's quite simple to synthesize. We only need glycerin and a nitrating mix. To prepare this nitrating mix, we start off with nitric acid. The other part of the nitrating mix is sulfuric acid. We mix them in 1:1 proportions. We cool our vessel properly to avoid a runaway nitration. Once it's cool and the stirring's on, we start adding the glycerin. I kept adding it until the reaction stopped, but I unfortunately lost the footage. Here you can see the nitroglycerin swirling at the bottom of the container. We wash away any unreacted acid and glycerin by pouring the mixture into water. Now you can see that it has separated and settled on the bottom. You could now dry it, but I won't do that since I'm just scared to touch it at all. I feel it's important to mention that you shouldn't do this, at least not the way I did it, because I was just too lazy to cool it properly and maintain safety procedures. Also, I'm kinda just keeping it in a jar for now, which definitely is something no one should be doing. I guess right now I should ask you to like and subscribe, but honestly that's up to you. Thank you for watching.